What happens if the revenue argue that we've misvalued an asset, or indeed we find more assets which we want to include which weren't originally included in an IHT return? That's where these revalue buttons come in. Let's assume for a moment that we want to revalue one of the assets. Now, as you can see, you can either add one which has been omitted, but what I want to do here is amend an existing one. So we sold Skyfall for 2,750 and the revenue didn't like the look of that. So what they say is that actually it's not 2 million, but we will agree to 500, 2,500,000. And then what that's showing you is that you've got a 500,000 change to the probate value. And if we go to, we're now getting a minute discrepancy on our balance, but if we now look at our estate account, and this will remind you, we've now got the value originally sworn against the actual value that we've agreed with the revenue, and that carries down. And it means then that when you come to do a corrective account, you've got a list of all those different changes that are all in that column. So that's quite handy. What also happens is that the inheritance tax is automatically recalculated. So let's just have a look at the inheritance tax calculation. Now we've got 7,946. The tax calculated on that. Tax has gone up by a couple of £100,000, which is what we'd expect, 40%.